Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks bringing you the daily Triple Q report for Monday, February 14th, 2022. Before I jump into the charts, as usual, I just want to encourage you to please click like each and every time you watch the daily Triple Q report. We do appreciate it. It does help us out in being found on YouTube when people search for Triple Q analysis, Nasdaq-100. And also subscribe. Subscribing to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel will provide you notification each and every time new content has been uploaded to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel. And that'll give you the information early when it's relevant and useful for your trading and analysis. Let's take a look at the charts. Just a reminder, I like to start with the Triple Q in terms of the big picture to show you that almost a month ago, I think this Wednesday, the market settled below that long-term channel bottom, presently at 377.30, well above the market. Resistance able to contain buying into March activity, and below which still anticipating 328.55 as a met objective. And we could get down there this week. I'll get to that in just a second. We also, on Monday, FYI, and I'm sure you're aware of this, closed below that speed line that I can't remember exactly where it was on Friday, 357 and change perhaps, or 358 and change. Anyway, it's at 359.89 today, and it represents our resistance for the early week, and below which we could, over the next 3 to 5 days, retest that low from January at 334.15. Let's take a look at the support and resistance. That green line once again represents roughly where we settled on Friday. We have intraday containment levels. I'm going to say kind of bracketing the market. We closed just below 348.66. Being on the weekend and all, we could easily open back above it or open below it. Either way, it can contain intraday activity, and holding below 348.66 will keep 341.10 in reach today, where we can place a daily low. Now, if we break or open today below 341.10, we could actually test 334.15 on an intraday basis. It actually remains a 3 to 5 day downside objective following last Friday's settlement below that 359.89 speed line. And it really is sort of the start of a gradually narrowing range of targeted long-term support down to that 328.55 long-term channel bottom I just showed. And so this area is narrowing ever so gradually. It is attainable this week below 359.89, and it's expected, say, by tomorrow's close if we settle today below 341.10. But as I say, even if we break 341.10 today, we could test that area on an intraday basis given the heightened volatility. The 328.55 to 334.15 area able to contain annual selling pressures. And so, you know, I'm not expecting 328.55 today, but I definitely think it's in reach within the week, perhaps holding below 359.89. Now, upside today, pushing or opening above 348.66 should yield 355.08, where we can tap out initially. And we could trade, if we open inside the 348.66 to 55.08 area, we could trade inside of that range for a good part of the day. If we push or open today above 355.08, then the 359.89 speed line is actually in reach, where we can place a high into later week, and as I say, below which we remain on the defensive. If we push through 359.89, the 365.43 channel top is in reach today, able to contain daily buying pressures. But if we hang out up there for the day and close above 359.89, that speed line, this is a better picture of it in terms of a bigger view of it. If we close above the 359.89 speed line, the 377.30 former channel bottom is likely to be reached within about 3 to 5 days. And once again, that is long-term resistance. There's convergence up there still with a descending 2/3 speed line, mid 370s up to mid to upper 370s, 374.92 to 377.30 if tested this week, able to contain buying into March trade, and as I say, below which that 328.55 long-term channel bottom remains a 3 to 5 week objective. If we were to close above 377.30, and that's a big if right now, this market does remain heavy. If we were to close above 377.30, then we've got a 2 to 3 week target at 408.71. That is the move high from November, and I think the upper 420s likely within a couple of months of closing back above 377.30. Closing above 377.30, I think we've got a good quarterly low through Q2 probably, and we should then within a couple of months push into the upper 420s. I will leave you with the support and resistance levels for today so you can print them off your smartphone or your desktop. Please click like each and every time you watch the Daily Triple Q Report and subscribe to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel. I'll be back tomorrow for Tuesday's Daily Triple Q Report, and you have a great day.